Hi there, it's time for Cardano Wyckoff check again. If you're new to my sessions, here are the 3 key items I'll cover during the session. I'm not a financial advisor, and these are not financial advice, just for education and research purpose only. So let's get started with the weekly chart of Cardano. Here we are seeing the thing that we covered in previous sessions, that it's still going through the early stage of accumulation cycle where it's seeking a selling climax where the panic is finally over. So Cardano has gone through the previous panic sell period while the whales are probably silently going in. They're doing it skillfully so they don't suddenly jack the price up. And what's after the selling climax is the automatic rally, meaning the price is going to rebound and set a trading range top for the subsequent horizontal or sideways trading period. So after the current stage, it may bounce up, and then that sets the top for the subsequent test period. Alright, so you see this test of paper hands and diamond hands. So that's what it is. So don't expect, sometimes it happens this way, but don't expect it's always like the rebound is going to lead all the way back to higher levels. Alright, most of the times it does sideways trading before sufficient momentum is built up, and then it eventually goes to the next distribution cycle. And then daily. In the daily chart, it's still going through the downtrend that started somewhere back in September. Alright, and then as of now, it's trading. Over the past 2 to 3 weeks, it's been trading on the stronger half of the downward channel. So there are a couple of dates here that are indicative of potential trend change confirmation. So the December 23rd, just 3 days ago, basically it has missed that window already. So what we're looking at is the 7th of January, currently where the price or the trading is trying to stay above the blue key level. Okay, this blue key level of 33 cents. And then eventually, if the blue doesn't hold, which we hope it does, because if it's setting up a selling climax and going back to the automatic rally stage, hopefully that's where this is the base, and then it bounces off from here. That's the wishful thinking or the base case. Okay. However, if something pops up during the new year, that's negative. All right, it can go down to challenge these lower levels, which will lead to the other 2 days, January 17th and January 23rd. So the blue dashed line over here is by referencing what October 10th reached. Okay, that's the point where when the tariff announcement came out, that the price hit that particular level. The blue one, solid line, refers back all the way to 2020-23 accumulation period. So that's how we get to those 2 dates and 2 very important reference levels. Alright, so that's for Cardano. It's still going through the early accumulation stage, and let's hope that the selling climax is finally there and we may see some automatic rebounds to the AR stage. Thanks for joining me. See you in the other session.